The STLFLIX lifetime plan is back, but it didn't come back alone. We've joined forces with the world's top creators, 3D artists, and partner brands to bring you the biggest and most meaningful Black Friday we have ever done. It became clear to us long ago that with more people, we could do so much more. Because from the start, we knew that we couldn't build this alone. Even though as a designer myself, creating the first models, I quickly realized I needed other artists who could do what I couldn't. We started with 3 designers, 3 people who believed in the same idea, to make the best printable models possible. Those first models brought our first members. Those members allow us to hire more designers. And step by step, the community grew inside STLFLIX and around it. Today, we are more than 100 people working inside the company and over 35,000 members around the world. There's more than 35,000 makers around the world, each printing our models in their own homes, shops, studios, and it's truly incredible. All this collaboration, this shared strength allow us to achieve something that I thought it was not possible. More than 3,000 printable models and over 80 new releases every month, every single one with a commercial license included, making STLFLIX the largest library of commercial use 3D models in the world. But having a community this big comes with a huge responsibility. And we know that our job doesn't end when we publish a model or upload a file. Because to make sure our community gets real results, we need to understand their challenges and help them overcome each one. And the best way to understand and truly help our members has always been by listening to them. And one of the first things we heard was, I'm having trouble printing. So we created the Print Like a Pro method, a complete approach to help you master your 3D printer. Then we started hearing another challenge. I'm having trouble selling. That's when my co-founder Lincoln and I combined our experiences after building 3 different companies together that have generated millions of dollars in sales to create the course From Zero to Revenue, sharing everything we learned from both our mistakes and our victories. And the questions kept on coming. I don't know how to model. I don't know how to paint. How do I create my own products? How do I grow on social media? How do I print with resin? How can I use AI to generate new models? And every one of these questions became a brand new course inside STL Academy. Each one created with a real expert in the field, from inside STLFLIX or outside. And that's how the STL Academy was born. And it became the most complete 3D printing educational platform in the world, with 8 courses taught by professionals who actually have real experience in their fields. And as artificial intelligence evolved, a new question started to appear. How can I create functional, articulated, ready-to-print models? The models that AI alone just cannot generate. And that's why we created STL AI. With STL AI, you can generate your own models using artificial intelligence and edit them directly in your browser. No complex softwares, no barriers. You can create articulated models, personalized trophies, keychains, fridge magnets, and much more. All of this optimized for 3D printing. We combine the creative and design power of the STLFLIX team with advanced AI technology to deliver something that simply does not exist anywhere else. Another need our community shared with us was, I wish I had a catalog to show the models I can sell from STLFLIX. Many people don't realize this, but every commercial licensed member of STLFLIX can use our official photos and videos, the same media that helps us sell our own subscription to promote and sell their printed products. Several members started doing this on social media and saw amazing results. So we decided to create the STLFLIX My Store. More than just a catalog, My Store is a complete e-commerce platform that allows any STLFLIX commercial member to build their own store using our official photos and videos. And they can even include their own 3D models or even models from other creators. And My Store keeps evolving. We're now launching a new, more intuitive store builder experience, so you can create your own online shop in just a few minutes. Now you can even connect your own domain and have a professional website with your company name. Plus, we're adding a new feature that lets your customers upload a photo or add a name when they order. That means you can show your customers what can be customized. They place their order, and then you generate their personalized model inside STL AI, print it and deliver to them, all in one smooth flow. Together, STL AI and My Store became the perfect combination for selling personalized 3D printed products online. But this Black Friday, we're not doing it alone. Because this is not just the STLFLIX Black Friday. This is the Black Friday of the 3D printing community. Alongside STLFLIX, STL Academy, and STL AI, we brought together some of the best companies in the world to make this the biggest and most meaningful promotion we have ever done. Everyone who joins our lifetime plans this year will receive exclusive partner bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. And all of them are real, tangible benefits that you can use right away. You also get $250 in Polymaker discount, one of the best filament brands in the world. You'll receive 10 exclusive coupons worth $25 each, valid on any $100 order or more. You'll get all the coupons after your purchase, and you'll be able to use one coupon per month, giving you a total of $250 in saving throughout the year. Thank you, Polymaker, for investing in our members' growth. You'll also get $50 off the Hue Forge lifetime commercial plan, plus a $60 discount from Eldritch Foundry, where you can design and customize your own miniature, and even 50% off their annual RPG creator plan. But there's more. You get 30% off Lychee, one of the best slicers for resin printing, and this discount even includes access to their full library of models. And because we know there are other amazing creators out there, we also reached out to some of the biggest independent artists in our community. So this year, you'll be able to join the first month of their merchant tiers with 90% discount. Names like Zal3D, Megai Beer, ID Myron, Kirsty McKenzie, Printy Boy 3D, ArtFlex, and more. That means you not only get STLFLIX, STL Academy, and STL AI, but also access to some of the best 3D artists in the world. Everyone wins. You get more content and more opportunities, and our partner creators reach new audiences of makers around the world. That's the power of the community. But you might be wondering, how much does all of this cost? Our very first lifetime plan back in 2022 cost only $250. At that time, we had just a few hundred models. In 2023, it went up to $300. Then in 2024, with 2,000 models and 6 full courses, the price went to $500. Now, 1 year later, we have grown even more. We have 3,000 models, 8 complete courses, and much more advanced MyStore platform. That's a 50% growth in value. So logically, it would make perfect sense to charge $750 for the STLFLIX lifetime plan today. But we decided not to, because this Black Friday is not about raising prices. It's about giving back to the community that helped us build STLFLIX. So instead of $750, you will pay only $549, just 10% more than last year, even with all this extra content and bonuses. And if you want the complete experience, STLFLIX, STL AI, and STL Academy, you won't pay $1,100. You will pay just $899, saving more than $250 and getting all partner bonuses included. And there's more. If you choose the $899 combo, you'll receive not $250, but $500 in Polymaker discount, with 20 coupons of $25 each, following the same rules as before. And for the first time ever, you can also use PayPal's Pay in 4 option, meaning you can get the STLFLIX or the STL AI lifetime access for 4 installments of just $137.25. Or go in with the STLFLIX, STL Academy, and STL AI combo for 4 installments of $225. One single purchase, lifetime access, and above all, an investment in yourself. Because this lifetime commitment isn't just about 3D models or AI or courses. It's about helping you grow as a creator, as a professional, and as a person. Don't forget, behind every model, every course, and every tool, there are more than 100 people in our team who love what they do and who work every day to bring you the best solutions possible. You'll be able to count on that team and that passion for life. Seeing you succeed is not just our mission, it's our goal, it's our reason to exist. This is our commitment to help you grow and to stay with you through every step of this journey. This is a unique opportunity, one that brings together the very best of the 3D printing world. STLFLIX, STL Academy, and STL AI are now global leaders in their fields, built by creators who started just like you, with a single printer and a big dream. Don't let this opportunity pass. The partner bonus have limited quantities, and once they're gone for good. That means that this Black Friday offer can end at any moment. So join STLFLIX today, and let's build the future of 3D printing together.